Hi, Mar. Hi, Mara. Ano lang, there were series of procrastination, sabi mo nga nabanggit mo kanina. I am quite intrigued. Naghudyok na this is it. Na ito na yon na sabi mo nga, July talaga siya na naka-decide ka na itutuloy mo na ito. So I want to know, I think many of us or all of us are also interested. Ano yung ano yung point na sinabi mo sa sarili mo na ito na yon?
Thank you, Glenn, from Davao, from escapemanila.com.
Thank you, Glenn, for that wonderful question. Beautiful. Okay, because late last year, I started writing my novel. And then, I realized na nahihirapan ako toward the middle of the year. Sabi ko, parang hindi ko pa yata ito matatapos. Kasi hindi ako na-satisfied dun sa mga plot. Parang daming loophole. Parang hindi ko ma-justify why my character is doing this. I also found my character boring. Sabi ko, parang ayoko yata na ganito siya. And then, sumabay siya na natapos yung contract ko sa previous company. Bigla, wala akong work. Bigla, I have a lot of time. And I was trying to apply. Hindi ako makakuha ng work. Parang, ginag-ghost ako ng parang daming ghost ngayon, listing sa LinkedIn and other companies. So parang, suddenly had the time. And then maybe, part of it, dahil sa frustration ko, na nothing is happening, not in my novel, not in my job hunting. So I wanted something that I can finish. Parang, and then nakita ko yung previous book ko, yung old draft ng Discontinued Thoughts, and I thought, bakit hindi ko nalang tapusin yung poetry book ko? At least I can be proud of something. I can say to myself that I completed something this year. Parang ganun. Kasi when you're in this state na you can find a regular job. Kasi ako I know that I can do freelancing naman because hindi naman siya far-fetched sa time natin ngayon, di ba? I have a lot of friends who are doing freelancing. But kasi nasanay ako na corporate. For a very long time, nasa corporate world ako. So it was kind of hard for me to let go that kind of work environment or na mayroon ka steady income. So part siya talaga, it was a big part of my frustration. And dumagdag na nga yung hindi ko matapos-tapos yung novel ko. So that's why I thought I needed something that I can complete, that I can be proud of, that I can use my time on, kasi marami akong biglang time. Marami akong time sa social media. Yung hindi ko mag-doom scroll, kaya dami kong alam kasi kung paano ko nasa scroll ko Pero naisip ko parang, since why not use this time to just finish it? Gawin mo na. Tama na yung kakabili mo ng mga bagay-bagay.